Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites that block delivery. Check campaign and ad group status to make sure they are enabled, not paused, and include live ads. Next, verify billing and payment details. If payments fail, Google halts serving. Then inspect basic targeting, geography, language, device, schedule, and budget limits. Overly narrow settings prevent impressions. Once done, increase a constrained budget or broaden geo-targets slightly, because fixing these fundamentals immediately opens the path to diagnostics. Now you run focused diagnostics to isolate the problem. Use the ad preview and diagnosis tool so you don't trigger impressions while checking visibility. This shows if your ad is eligible. Review Policy Center for disapprovals and account-level alerts, then examine bid strategy and quality scores. Low bids or poor relevance reduce serving. Audit keywords for low search volume, conflicting negatives, or restrictive match types. Once you identify the limiter, adjust bids, edit creatives, or refine keywords to restore eligibility. Finish by applying targeted fixes and validating results. Update disapproved ads and request policy reviews, raise bids or budgets to meet auction thresholds, and relax overly narrow targeting or schedule windows. After changes, monitor impressions, CTR, and conversions for 24 to 72 hours because systems require time to relearn and re-enter auctions. If ads remain invisible, contact Google Ads support with campaign and ad ID, timestamps, and screenshots. Having that evidence accelerates resolution and helps you escalate effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.